Now this evening I got a coil that's kind of dirty. It's pretty dirty actually, not just kind of dirty. So I'm gonna try to do it with just with some hot water and see if I can get it cleaned up, get this crap off of it, and we'll hopefully that's all it needs. Hopefully I don't have to take it apart from the front. But you can see it's frosting pretty well, probably because of that dirty. So we're gonna wash it just with some hot water. Now they got this hot water device here. It looks like it's constantly feeding soap. Maybe it's not. So I'm gonna take this right here and hook that to my hose. There we go, we got some nice hot water. It's also very helpful that we have a drain right there. So it's hard to get any video in here, but you got to be real careful with this one because these fins are really delicate. They're falling apart. As you see right there, they're starting to fall apart on me. So I'm just gonna run hot water, you know, over all this and get some of this crap cleaned up. But I'm not gonna be able to get the coil clean like I wanted, or like we would want. It's gonna have to do, and it'll be a little bit better, you know. Sorry, it's just really tight in here. It's really hard to film. It's hard to even just clean the coil, but whatever. And the more time you spend, you know, with a wet coil like this, the more this mud starts to break up easier. Like you'll see these little shiny spots because the water's actually taking it off. So who knows? If I spend enough time here, maybe I could get the damn thing clean, but I don't know if I want to do that. Well, here's the crap that's coming out of the coil, out of the drain. So, you know, at least we did some good. Look at that. So I could only get it so clean. I don't really want to spend too many hours here at all. But you see, it's a little better. This coil's on its way out. You see right there? Yeah, that's a problem. Once they start doing that, the whole thing will do it. So you got to watch it. You destroy a coil real quick if you ain't careful. But that'll help a little bit. And well, that's all I got on this one, y'all. Just a short little stupid video. Hope y'all enjoy it.